In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to automatically use the reader or screen reader on all websites on the Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Safari tab up at the top, and then you want to go down and select where it says Settings, and then select the Website tab up at the top. On the left panel underneath General now, select Reader, and then back on the right side in the bottom right where it says When Visiting Other Websites, click the drop down and select On if you want to automatically turn that on for all websites, and then just close out of here to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.